Hello and good day for those watching the video right now. Today we're going to presenting our Kenaf-Poly Robocar. We have 7 members that I'm going to introduce. First, Noor Isalina. Second, Sazirul. Third, Muhammad Shahidin. 4, Sidat Kumar. 5, Nurul Natasha. 6, Muhammad Fidaus. And 7, Zian Jin. We discussed and all agreed we are going to use Kenaf-Poly fiber. The reason is build lightweight and possess excellent weight strength to weight ratio. It can reduce the overall weight of the vehicle to make go fast. And second reason is enhance strength and stiffness. Kenaf fiber can reinforce polymer material, enhance their strength and stiffness to make car strong while being lightweight. Next, I'm passed to next member. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shahidin. So my part is the preparation of microbit. So first of all, we're using the microbit apps to start the coding. Okay. First of all, we put the sentence of EMG3323, and after that, we try to put the sign of love, and we did it. After that, we make the coding, which is when we press the button A, we get the group R is the best the sentence. So you can see. Okay, when we press B, it will present here occur. Okay, when we press A plus B, the answer is R. So we continue the coding of the microbit for the servo motor. Okay, as we can see, we connect the circuit by using the diagram in this video. Okay, so all the wires will connect to the motor. So when we start coding, when we press A, the button of A, it will go forward. When we press the button B, it will go backward. And if we press the both of the button, the motor will stop.
For the sample preparation, we need to unset the polyester resin, pink, cobalt naphthenate, methyl ethyl ketone peroxide, and a Kenaf fiber powder. For the process, first we need to measure the mass of the Kenaf fiber powder that we need for the experiment. Around 400 grams of the Kenaf fiber powder that we need to use for the experiment. Next, we went to the lab for the process. First, we treated the study and folded plate by aluminium foil. Then we measured 200 grams of the Kenaf fiber powder and dried in the drying oven. After that, we spread the powder in a thin and an even layer until we dry the powder in a drying oven for 60 Celsius for 24 hours. For the purpose of this process is to remove the excess moistures which can affect the properties of the final product.
Hi, my name is Noor Salina binti Muhammad Nazarul. My number matric is J20A0548. Okay, for my part is we start to do the sample for the next day. The sample that we have is 2 size. One size is 3 mm and one size is 5 mm. Okay, for the process, first we put the Kenaf core fiber or Kenaf powder in another container. Then we add methyl, resin and cobalt in the same container of the Kenaf core fiber. And then we press all of them into the mold. We use 120 degrees Celsius for the temperature. And for the time, we used 8 minutes for hot and cooling session. And for the pressure, we used that. So that's all from me. Thank you.
And for the next, we take 4 samples of 2 cm width and then cutting it separately to do the testing. After the measure, the thickness of the 4 sample, and then we will be calculate the average of the sample 1, 2, 3 and 4. For the sample 1 and 2, we will be testing using tensile strength, and Tuesday we can see the result. Sample 3 and 4, we will be testing it using bending testing. It is to see the flexibility of the sample. Meanwhile, in this vlog, we do the metallographic study. We use 4 times to 10 times magnifications on the surface of the sample. And this is the result of the surface of sample. Then, we also use 5 times to 10 times magnifications on the sides of the sample. And this is the result of the side. And we also use 20 times magnifications of the surface and side of the sample. Then, we proceed with the following by using 2 different thickness of the molds. At the same time, we are doing the discussions about the Robocar design and also the assembly.
Next, for my part, I will explain about the Robocar body design. First of all, I will measure the length and width that will be used to make the body of the Robocar. After measuring, I will cut the sample using a cutting machine according to the measurement I made earlier. After the cutting process is complete, the merge process of microbit chip, batteries, wires and other into the Robocar body can be done. The merge process of each material must be accurate so that there is no defect in the Robocar. Meanwhile, I also did the coding setup to make the Robocar move. The connection for the Robocar body continues again. After finishing connecting all the materials, it's time to finish the Robocar. The wire will be tied with a cable so that it is neater. All material are combining using a hot glue gun to make it stronger. The design of the Robocar was produced by myself. When the weight of the Robocar can be reduced drastically, it can make the Robocar move faster. Not only that, the design has made the Robocar lighter, so it will boost the Robocar to move faster. So that's the reason why our Robocar body come a corner at the front, because it can reduce the width at the front and will make the Robocar move faster. That's all from me.
The future potential of Kenaf-Poly composite is wide due to its advantages. Due to the lightweight of Kenaf-Poly, yet processed with high strength to weight ratio, help in weight reduction, they can be used in manufacturing lightweight parts, especially in aerospace and automotive industry. In addition, it also processes with excellent tensile strength and stiffness when Kenaf fibers combined with polymer matrix. This makes it suitable for structural applications. According to these benefits from Kenaf-Poly, it has largely increased the entrepreneurial opportunity. For example, as we know, Kenaf fiber is from Kenaf plants. In this case, entrepreneurs can make investment in Kenaf farming to increase the sustainability of the value chain and guarantee a steady supply of raw materials to produce Kenaf polymers. In conclusion, the advantages of Kenaf-Poly are significantly affect the future potentials of material itself and entrepreneurial opportunities in future.